Problem solving is talked about all the time in business. A lot of times you're asked to brainstorm and come up with solutions. But do you have a solid method for problem solving, for galvanizing the power of the team and catalyzing your efforts? If you do not have a method to the madness of problem solving, I would like to invite you to journey with me in our next PM 360 conference. It's on the DIGCIV approach. It's a method and a model that I took from the PMBOK Guide 6th edition, and I have remodeled and added a lot of substance and meat on the bone to it. In this model, you'll be learning how to define problems, identify the root cause using proven methods, some new methods, generating alternatives using the power of critical thinking and creativity, choosing the best solution, understanding when to use certain models to choose the best solution and when not to, implementing the solution, and verifying the solution's effectiveness. I call this the DIGCIV approach, and I have very recently written a book called the DIGCIV Model. It's called A Model for Problem Solving, Critical Thinking, and Creativity. All very important to being a great problem solver. If you do not have a method to the madness, you need to be in this seminar. So I encourage you to go on down to 360.pmradio.org. That's 360.pmradio.org. In this seminar, you will brainstorm and mastermind with like-minded individuals, many of who are already project management professionals, ACPs, and others. I will also be joined by my mentor and coach in the world of Agile, Roy Schilling, who will be giving you additional insights to help you understand how to effectively facilitate. In this session, we will also be joined by people from my Project Leadership Institute, and we will also be talking about how to be an effective consultant. Because it's one thing for you to be certified as a project manager, solving problems, of course, with a DIGCIV approach, but it's another thing for you to effectively consult, hence the book, The Consultant's Compass. And this will be the thesis for what I explore with you on the 19th of May. I'd love for you to be there because I'm going to break down for the very first time the different metaphors that consultants could adhere to maximize their brain power, to maximize their potential in the market space. As I have experienced in the marketplace from being a consultant with various organizations in the world, as a project manager, program manager, and moving into consulting from business to business, company to company, done training, coaching, and mentoring for various entities like NASA and the FBI and the US Army and the US Air Force. I'll be showing you how to position yourself as a consultant, the tricks of the trade, rules of the game, and the metaphors that will, for a very long time to come, shape how you approach the world of business and consulting. So there you have it. 2 awesome books, 1 webinar, 4 PDUs for a very affordable rate. The value, my friends, that you get from this far outweighs the value that you would get from many other ventures. Not only will you be going away with tools and techniques from a very solid model that was first introduced by the PMI in the PMBOK 6th edition, you'll also be going away with a treasure trove of knowledge about consulting, tools and techniques to help you expand your game, and also a network of awesome individuals, over 50 of them right now who have signed up. You want to be on the program, go on down to 360.pmradio.org. Remember, you are your most expansive asset. Expansive assets sometimes might be expensive. In all that you do in your project management and business, it's only fair that you do not muzzle the ox that treads the corn. I look forward to seeing you in the program.